You know, Mark wins, Papa. This is a video.
Oh, it's a video. Tell me then.
This is cabbage now with pork and onion.
This with duck and apple in the middle. Mommy duck smells really good one.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
thank you. Ana, kijk eens. Wow. Say thank you. Sama doei doei. Bye. It's beautiful.
Amen.
Oh, somebody's yawning already.
Pismo Święte mówi.
Yeah? Punya Snoop ya?
Anna, nee, doe nou eens niet. Nee, nee, nee.
Good morning from Krakow, Poland. Nakita nyo sa mga video nung kagabi, before this, sa beginning ng video na to, kita nyo yung view kagabi. Naglakad-lakad kami kagabi, pero hindi ako nag-vlog kasi para ma-enjoy namin yung yung view. Nasa isang hotel kami po sa sa Ibis Hotel. So yung room namin nasa isang budget hotel. So very basic lang talaga. So may extra bed kami dito. Dito namin nilagay lahat ng gamit namin. Tapos si Ruth na nag-ready. Katabi po kaming tatlo. Para sure na hindi matahulog si Ana. Tapos ito yung shower. I find it strange that they have a sink here. I told the Ruth. They have a very spacious toilet. Di ko na ipakita. Pero, di ba? Nilagay talaga nila dito yung sink. And then, maliit na shower room. Ang lang talaga, yung concern ko is, yung pag-warm ng milk ni Ana ba. Wala silang microwave kasi. Tapos, wala ding fridge. Very basic talaga siya. So, yeah, of course, budget hotel siya. So, di ba? Yeah, we're getting ready. My madam is here. War ko na. See? Ana, show your tattoo. Show your tattoo. Show them your tattoo. Hi, guys. Say hi, guys.
Hello, guys.
Hello, guys. Ang galat pa namin. Eh. So, hindi pa ako that's for Papa, hindi pa ako nag-ayos ng, ng mukha kasi, inuna ko muna si Ana. Pero yung Papa, hindi, inayos yung buhok ni Ana. So, after getting ready, we're going to a milk bar. Mabe-breakfast po kami. So, it's,
Anna ook deze?
TripAdvisor na suggested na, recommended na breakfast place here in Krakow. Ano po pala, from Prague, galing kami ng Prague sa Czech Republic, papunta dito, nag-drive lang kami, mga 5 hours na drive, grabe. So, pagdating ko dito, iba yung impression ko sa sa lugar. Para siyang feeling ko nasa Asia, yung medyo relaxed na culture, yung medyo relaxed sila. And yes, kami, malapit kami sa isang...
Mama Shin!
Wow!
Mama Shin!
Na, hurot na yung sticker. Or I think she's gonna stick all of them on her arm.
Yeah. Mooi, Anna.
So, may malaking mall po, malapit dito. So, parang na-miss ko yung may malalaking mall sa Pilipinas ba. Sabi ko kay Rod, no need ko nang lumabas sa malayo. Punta lang ako sa mall. Malapit lang talaga, guys. Andun lang, sa kabilang side pala. Doon lang na side.
Joy of the first steps of a child. It's the joy of your great grandmother's smile. We came a long way, but we ain't slowing down. We got a strong pace. No, we ain't losing ground. We won't give up.
So, na lang, mga 5 minutes na lang. Dating na kami. Ando na kami.
Big wide world we're living in. Yeah.
Ganda ng
I'll keep
picture.
running until I discover it. I know I've got
Then kami sa milk bar, Tumas.
all along the way. To break bread on another day. Always there to give you advice. Help you find the wrong from the right. Even when you're not in their sight, you'll be alright. Just look at the big wide world we're living in.
This is
Thank
the
you.
Irish breakfast.
Thank you.
Anna gets pancake with Nutella. And Ruth gets ham and cheese.
Ja, ham, cheese.
Onion.
Lekker? Ja. Lekker.
A few moments later.
Andito na kami sa Centrum. Super nice. Yan yung kanilang church.
Laten
Yan.
kijken.
Ang daming tao pero I think tonight mas maraming tao kasi maganda yung view.
Kijken.
Kadaghan. Especially if you have food bang, then they go crazy. Anna, kijk eens!
Anna ook?
So we bought from there 250.
Zloty.
250 zloty. So how much is it? Cents?
Ik denk het 30 peso.
30 pesos. With cheese. This is with cheese. Anna eten? Lekker. Dit is lekker.
Klein beetje. Ja, nu maar vasthouden. Hier.
So this is a must try in Poland. It's a traditional one. I tried the cheese, the one with cheese. Masarap siya. So, nagpapahinga muna kami sa isang park on the way to the hotel. Kasi, para maano siya na nag-irritable na kasi si Ana para maaliw din siya ba gusto kasi niya maglakad. And hindi namin siya hinayaang maglakad kasi nga, nasa busy area kami. Sa park, okay lang. So, after this, we're going back to the hotel and then si Ruth aalis siya kasi papatulugin ko si Ana. And Ruth's coming back to the centrum para makapag-ikot-ikot siya. Yeah. Hindi po madali magbiyahe na may anak, na may kasamang toddler. Especially Ana is only 2 years old. So, kaka 2 years old lang po ng anak namin. So, yeah. Malikot pa talaga. And hindi madaling madaling sabihin na, wag mong gawin to, wag mong gawin. The more you say no or the more you say don't do that, yeah. Mas lalo pa. So, anyways, kita-kita na lang tayo mamaya, guys. Hello, guys. Time check. Ewan ko, alas 12 na siguro wala, hindi ko pa makita ang alas 12 na. And bumalik ako sa hotel, pero hindi ko mapakita si Ana kasi nakahubad. Bumalik kami sa hotel kasi kailangan na matulog ni Ana. Pero si Ruth, hinatid lang kami sa labas ng hotel, tapos umalis na siya para may time siya. Sayang din ang time ba Inamoy ko sarili ko kung maano ba ko. Kung nanimaho ba ko ba. Ganun pala. So anyways, nag-drop by kami sa mall kanina, yung malaking mall doon. Nag-grocery ako ng konti. So ito yung mga pinamili ko. Pakita ko sa inyo. Yan si Ana dyan. So ito yung pinamili namin. Wipes ni Ana kasi nahubusan na kami. Yung wipes. Pang toilet, ito. Pang toilet tissue na. Yata yan, bio. May gatas din. Hindi kami makabili ng maraming gatas kasi wala kami ref dito. Bumili din ako ng dishwashing liquid kasi wala dito. Tapos, bumili ng juicy root. Lang talaga kasi walang ref ba, mahirap. Tapos may snack si Ana dyan. So, ayan. Ito yung snack ni Ana. Yung susi ni Ruth iniwan sa sasakyan. Tapos, tubig. Maraming tubig. So, kasi nga, hindi kami makapag-store ng, ng cold drinks. So, tubig lang. Yes? Yan mo. What? Peekaboo? Yeah, peekaboo, Ana. Oh, wasana. Uy, peekaboo! So, yeah, it was fun earlier, pero, sobrang busy, tapos naging irritable si Ana kasi pagod na siya, guys. Mga oras na to, pagod na siya. So, kailangan namin siyang iuwi. Tapos kanina, nakita niyo sa video kanina, naglalaro siya. Anyways, we're planning to stay longer in Krakow. Originally, we wanted to stay until Sunday. Mag-check out kami Sunday and it's already Friday today. But gusto ni Ruth yung vibe dito. Medyo relaxed siya. So, we're gonna extend until Tuesday. But he tried to talk to the staff downstairs kung pwede kami mag-extend dito, but then the staff said but then yung price double siya. So sabi ni Ruth, it's not worth it daw, mas maigi pa na maghanap kami ng yung hotel na hindi budget ba kasi mahirap dito kasi may bata kami, kailangan niya ng warm milk kasi. So walang ref, walang microwave, so importante siya ba sa amin. So yun, maghanap pa kami mamaya ng hotel para sa Sunday. So yun, patulogin ko muna si Ana, guys. Balikan ko kayo maybe tomorrow or tonight, you'll see.
The next day.
Ang akong agtang. Hello everyone, we are at our next hotel called Imperial Hotel. This is our room. I'll give you a quick tour. Anna's already here. So if you saw the clips earlier, we went to a pool area, indoor pool.
Papa!
So, and I had fun. Yeah, Papa. Papa is getting our stuff. So, ipakita ko lang sa inyo. So, yan yung door. Pagkapasok nyo, may ano dito. Lagayan ng coats, ganyan, jacket. And dito yung slot ng yung para sa card. A mirror here. Naka-shorts na ako kasi nakapawax ako kagabi. Closet. By the way, na kami dito 2 days. May safe, so that's good as well. And then, yung ating toilet. On this side. Oh, yeah. So, yan, mirror. Oh, it's nice. May bathtub pa. So, it's good for Anna. She can relax tonight. My hair dryer, so it's also good. Thank you, Mama. Nag-ice cream kasi sa Anna, so natatakot ako baka makaan siya. And oh, don't touch anything now. Tamahig na si Nina. And then that's our bed. Anna has her own bed there. Anna, watch out with the ice cream, ah. May TV tayo dito, may table, may pa-mirror pa dyan. So yan yung ating room. Yan, I'm glad that Anna can sleep here tonight. She's used to sleeping on her own naman sa bahay. So yan, very basic lang yung room namin, but I think this is the best so far during our vacation. Aming view, main road, parking pala dito. May pool po dito, so tomorrow morning Anna can go swimming with her papa. And ako din, mag-chill ako dun. So, we extended for 2 days here sa Krakow, and then after that we're going to another city here in Poland. Medyo clips lang yung natin, no, para yung video natin, no, para ma-enjoy talaga namin yung bakasyon ba. Pinapakita ko lang yung snippets ng aming bakasyon, yun lang. But so far we're having fun. It's not easy traveling with a toddler, but we're learning new things, you know, mga na ma-realize natin ganyan, yung mga bagay-bagay when you have a toddler, but so far so good. Yan. So medyo pa tayo hagad kasi nag-swimming kami kanina, hindi ko na tinanggal yung buhok ko, medyo basa yung buhok ko, so I'm gonna take a shower.
The next day.
Last full day in Krakow, and the weather is not so nice today, so it says that it's gonna rain today, and last night it rained really hard. So this is our last full day, so we're just gonna walk around the castle, or maybe we're gonna go up. That's possible. It depends on Anna's mood because she's a little bit tired already. So now we're just gonna get breakfast, and after that we'll go to the castle. Hi Anna, say hi. Good morning.
Gewoon give a cookie to me.
Good morning.
Doe eens cookie geven. Wow.
It's the joy of the first steps of a child. It's the joy of your great-grandmother's smile. We came a long way, but we ain't slowing down. We got
It's raining. Game of Thrones feels. Char. It's really nice. We're looking for the Kuan. We're looking for the Royal Garden. owns the whole place. No. Oh, come! Come! Boah. Boah.
Papa helpen?
The next day.
Good Tuesday morning. Last day na namin dito sa Krakow, and soon we're gonna check out and then mag-drive na kami papunta sa next na city. The next city is called Wrocław. I don't know how to pronounce it, but anyways, Ruth already put out all our bags. Dinala na niya sa labas para ilagay sa sasakyan. And may dalawa pa siyang kailangan kunin doon. And yeah, we're pretty much ready. I'm just having coffee. And itong kanilang parang pretzel na parang baguette yung lasa. Pero masarap siya. May sesame seeds yung kinuha ko. Tapos may coffee ako dito. May pa-mirror sila dito. Yan. So naka-sleeveless tayo ngayon kasi para presko sa biyahe ba. So, yun na yung ating pa-vlog sa Krakow, guys. I hope nagustuhan nyo yung snippets ng aming trip. Ano lang kami dito, 8 days. 6 days pala. So, doon sa Prague, 5 days kami, 6 days kami dito. And then, doon sa next city, kami, mga 4 days lang yata. 4 days lang. So, yan. So far, ito yung pinaka-komportable na accommodation namin. Super interesting ng aming biyahe, ang daming natutunan, ganun. Super ganda po ng Krakow. So if you have a chance to visit Poland, consider visiting Krakow. Ang gaganda ng mga old buildings nila dito. And I really find Polish women beautiful. Ang gaganda nila. Yeah. So anyways guys, see you sa aming susunod na destination, and maraming salamat sa panonood. Giraffe. Maraming salamat, and kita-kita na naman po tayo sa susunod na video. And please don't forget to like and subscribe sa aming channel, Pinoy Dutch Family Vlogs. Maraming salamat. Mush mush babush. Duy. Duy, Ana. Duy. Wala.